When we talk about the boundaries of automotive engineering, we often find ourselves looking at specialized machines designed for singular tasks. The agility of a desert racer, the brute force of a heavy-duty hauler, or the refined serenity of a luxury penthouse. But rarely do we see these three distinct worlds collide in a single chassis. Today, we are exploring a vehicle that defies conventional categorization. This is the Toyota Thunderbone 1212, a heavy-duty, off-road luxury motorhome that redefines the concept of a self-contained expedition vessel. The first thing that strikes you about the Thunderbone isn't just its scale, but the sheer deliberate nature of its silhouette. At first glance, it carries the DNA of a tactical military transporter, yet the precision of its paneling and the integration of its living quarters reveal a more sophisticated design philosophy. This is a vehicle built around the idea of unstoppable autonomy. Every line on its exterior serves a functional purpose, from the high-clearance wheel arches to the reinforced subframe that acts as a protective skeleton for the vital systems beneath. It doesn't just sit on the terrain, it commands it, utilizing 12 independent points of contact to distribute its massive curb weight with surgical precision. To understand how the Thunderbone moves, we have to look beneath the surface at its remarkable 1212 drivetrain. In traditional off-roading, you are often limited by the traction of 4 or 6 wheels. Here, power is managed through a complex hybrid diesel-electric system that channels torque to 6 distinct axles. This isn't just about raw power, it's about the intelligence of how that power is applied. The hybrid powertrain provides immediate electric torque, which is essential when you're trying to crawl a multi-ton home on wheels over soft sand or jagged rock shelves, because each wheel can be independently managed by the traction control systems. The Thunderbone can maintain forward momentum even if 4 or 5 wheels lose contact with the ground entirely. This level of redundancy is what grants the driver a unique sense of confidence. You aren't just driving, you're operating a land-based icebreaker. The driving dynamics of a vehicle this size are surprisingly intuitive, thanks to an advanced, multi-axle steering system. On the open road, the Thunderbone feels planted and heavy in the best way possible. It isn't jittery like a standard truck, nor is it ponderous like a traditional Class A motorhome. The weight is kept low in the chassis, and the independent suspension at each wheel works to iron out the oscillations of the road. But the real magic happens when the pavement ends. As you transition onto corrugated gravel or deep mud, the vehicle's walking capability becomes apparent. The suspension travel is generous, allowing the axles to articulate and follow the contour of the earth, while the cabin remains remarkably level. It's a strange, almost surreal sensation to look out of a panoramic window at a 30-degree incline while your coffee stays perfectly still on the galley counter. Stepping inside the Thunderbone is a jarring transition from the rugged, armored exterior to a world of hushed, 5-star luxury. The design team opted for a tactical, refined aesthetic, utilizing deep leathers, dark wood accents, and brushed metals. The structural layout is divided into 3 primary zones: the command, cockpit, the social galley, and the private master suite. Because the 1212 chassis provides such a long and stable platform, the interior feels more like a modern apartment than a vehicle. There is a sense of airiness provided by the armored skylights and the expansive side windows, which are double-paned for both thermal insulation and acoustic isolation. Even when parked in a gale-force wind or a blistering desert heat wave, the interior remains a silent, climate-controlled sanctuary. The technology on board isn't just for show. It's the vehicle's life support system. A centralized digital interface manages everything from the satellite link navigation to the power grid. The Thunderbone is designed for true off-grid survival, featuring a massive solar array integrated into the roof that feeds a high-capacity lithium battery bank. This system powers the induction stovetops, the air filtration, and the water purification units, allowing you to stay in the wilderness for weeks without needing a single hookup. The smart aspect of the tech comes into play with the terrain scanning sensors. As you drive, the vehicle monitors the density of the ground and automatically adjusts tire pressures and suspension damping to optimize for fuel efficiency or maximum grip. It's an educational experience for the driver, as the HUD provides real-time data on axle load and incline angles, teaching you how to navigate the environment with the least amount of mechanical stress. Comfort in the Thunderbone extends beyond the upholstery. It's found in the peace of mind that comes from its engineering. Practical features are hidden everywhere: a heavy-duty winch system integrated into the rear for vehicle recovery, external storage bays for emergency gear, and an automated leveling system that ensures a flat floor regardless of where you've parked. The galley is a chef's dream, featuring granite surfaces and professional-grade appliances that are shock-mounted to survive the vibrations of off-road travel. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a full-size rainfall shower and a recirculating water system that prioritizes conservation without sacrificing the luxury experience. Asterisk, when you take the wheel of the Thunderbone, the real-world ride experience is defined by a lack of drama. Most off-roaders are a battle between the driver and the environment, but the Thunderbone feels like a partnership. You feel the low-frequency hum of the diesel generator and the silent surge of the electric motors working in tandem. There is no frantic wheel spinning or engine roaring. There is only the steady, relentless progress of 12 tires finding purchase. It changes the way you look at a map. Suddenly, the end of the road is merely the beginning of the journey. You start looking at mountain ranges and desert expanses not as obstacles, but as potential campsites. Asterisk, ultimately, the Toyota Thunderbone 1212 is more than just a showcase of excess. It is a masterclass in extreme utility and ergonomic luxury. It exists for the traveler who refuses to choose between the thrill of discovery and the comforts of home. By combining military-grade durability with the most advanced civilian technology available, it creates a new standard for what a motorhome can be. It is a vehicle that doesn't just take you to your destination, it is the destination as we move into an era where travelers seek more remote and authentic experiences. The Thunderbone stands as a testament to the fact that with the right engineering, there truly are no limits to where you can go. Asterisk, would you like me to create a detailed technical spec sheet or sample storyboard to go along with this narration? Asterisk.